Just like that. Write the points. Set this point. This. Sorry. This point. And this. Concentricity. And set this point. And this. Concentricity. Okay. Okay. 5. Think I can make width relation like this way. Okay, it is not forming at all. Okay, light. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, what I want to do here, I'll keep this and this and this and this frame in a separate subassembly. Okay, I can use multiple times. Okay, what I can do, I'll just open this subassembly in a new assembly and yeah, go to pattern diagram component. Components to be pattern is already selected. Okay, okay, can close it again. Okay, okay, now unhide this. Okay, now you can see my entire right. So better visibility we can make change use of colors. Okay, okay, let it be. Let them like that. And top side, I need to mount a gearbox, motor, and then a pulley. So which is nothing but a drum pulley. So which will enables the wheel to rotate between these two. Okay, and the bottom side also you need a pulley, and but here it has to be adjusted. Okay, we need to develop those things. So uh, let's try to develop the tail pulley first. Okay, so the tail pulley also uh, okay, okay, let's make it as a basic level. Okay, I don't want to make split code on 1500 and I'll take line command. Okay, the shaft diameter I'll keep it as 100 and this drum diameter I'll keep it as 300. Okay, 300 is not enough. I'll keep it as 500. Okay, 800 is my width. Okay, I'll have to keep 1000. Okay, so that 100 mm, 100 mm would be okay 500 only, and the overall 1000, 1100, 1100 divided by 2, and okay 1200, 600. Okay, seems like a fine wood enough. 1400, 700. Is it revolve? Take it. Okay, so this is my drum pulley, tail pulley. So okay, it seems like too big in size. I'll keep 400. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, let me save this, guys. So it's been so much time. So let me save it. SolveWorks, Crucial Plant, and these are 20 meter conveyor, right? So 20 meter conveyor. Okay, let's create a one more folder also. 20 meter conveyor. Okay, fine. We can save it here. Okay, that's all about, guys. The next video we're going to seeing about the adjustment mechanism and the motor mounting, the gearbox mounting elements. Okay, so let's see if it's able in about the process in next video. Thanks. Have a great day.